I'm done washing, deep conditioning, and giving my hair a special treatment. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it down and I'm going to add Cantu leave-in conditioner to each one of the sections, and I'm going to take my blow dryer and on a cool setting I'm going to blow it just a little so that it's not soaking wet, and then after that I'm going to twist it up, and I'll be back to show you how I twist it up. Finished blow drying my hair, and now I'm going to twist it in maybe 6 large twists, so that when I take it down I'll have this wavy style look that I like. So I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, styling and foaming mousse. And I'm going to be following up on my ends with shea butter, natural African shea butter. And what I like to do before I twist my hair for any style is use sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, I'm going to take some and put it on my fingertips, like so, just on the fingertips, and I'm going to go under and connect with my scalp, and I'm going to massage it in. Now this gets the blood circulating to the scalp, and almond oil is rich in nutrients for your hair and scalp, for your skin as well. And of course, I take some, put it on the rest of my hair, like so. And a little goes a long way. You don't need a whole lot. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to section here. And I'm going to make twists about this size, maybe 3 on each side. Comb through the ends. And because my hair is relatively dry, I want to take a little bit of the styling foaming mousse to kind of give it a little more wetness and to set the twist. Not too much, just maybe 2 small pumps per large twist should be enough. And I'm going to twist it up. And when I get to the ends, I like to take my African shea butter and of course with shea butter you have to melt it between your fingers to get it to go on easily. And I like to put the shea butter on the ends of my hair because the ends are the oldest part, and usually your hair is going to be damaged at all, it's going to be the ends. So I like to protect the ends. And I finish twisting. And you should have a twist about this size. Not too small, not extremely large, but large enough for the style that I'm trying to create. And I'm going to do that all around, and I'll be back in a minute. twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because this is the size curls that I want when I take my hair down, I want large waves. And a lot of people have asked me, how do you get the waves that size? And this is how, guys. Large twist. And we're going to secure it down with bobby pins just because there's a little hump here and you want that to lay flat when you take your hair down. So we're going to take it and secure it with a few bobby pins right here.